I just finished this vintage double singing bird cage crafted by Karl Griesbaum. This would have been made in the late 1950s, early 1960s. Fancy cage bottom. The original birds are in amazing condition. The classic red and black, the classic yellow and back. Everything is original. Let's hear it play, starting off on the pause feature. The birds will pause. All singing bird cages have 3 modes: off, pause, and on. And if the pause function does not work, that indicates there's something wrong with the mechanical movement. What the pause feature does is it prolongs the singing. We'll switch to continuous. So both birds open and close their beaks and flap their tails, synchronize to the bird song, and they also rotate their heads. Very strong singer. Show you the back. And they alternate singing as well. There's the top one. Wonderful vintage condition, fully serviced, working perfectly. I'm going to turn it off. So in summary, a vintage Karl Griesbaum double singing bird cage crafted in the late 1950s, early 1960s. Take care.